Google Sheets is a powerful and dynamic tool for analyzing numbers, but sometimes you may also find it useful for keeping records and doing data entry. There may also be some times where you want to enter multiple lines of data in a single cell. But hitting the Enter button does not bring you down to a new line, the same way that it does in Google Docs or some other Word document programs. But in this video tutorial, we will show you how to add a line break in a cell in Google Sheets. The easiest way to add a line break inside a cell is to manually enter line breaks by using this keyboard shortcut. All you need to do is press CTRL Enter on your keyboard at the end of your first line. This will add a new line, so you can begin entering additional lines of data in the same cell. However, you can also use a formula such as this one. This is a code for a line break, and what this formula is doing is that it is finding every instance of a comma and replacing it with a line break. And that's how you can add line breaks in a cell in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.